like a Hellcat.
What's up guys, it's Festive Beer here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your channel public. I removed this video because I don't want to get copyright. Oops, I think that was another video. Okay, so at first you just have to click the icon at the right hand corner of your phone. Okay, then let me just get a brush. Okay, then you just want to click your channel. Okay, then you click your channel. This is just for example. Okay, this channel I just made now for your example. Okay, then you I didn't notice that. Then you want to click this setting icon. Okay, then you're gonna click it and you're gonna reach this place. Okay, then you just want to search for this privacy. Keep all my subscriptions private. Keep all my saved playlists private. Okay, at first these were always on all accounts. These are at first like these. Okay, then you just want to do this and this. This is how you can make your YouTube channel public. Like and share this video if you like it, and just subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Shoot, I didn't notice that. Bye bye.